Hi everyone, in this lecture today we are going to learn about area chart in MS Excel 2016. The area chart is like a line chart with the difference that the area between the line and the x-axis is filled with color so that we get to see the volume. In area chart we can see the trend over time. Please remember that it is better to use a line chart than an area chart if you want to take printout of your chart and show the trend over time. We can use area chart whenever we have to compare multiple quantities and we want to show the contribution of each data along with the total. It is used best to show trends over time. However, since area chart fills the area to represent the data, solid color block can hide other data series. This can be overcome by increasing the transparency, but only when we have 2 or 3 data series. Another way is we can use stack area chart. So here in this tutorial, we have year-wise sales figure of John's Food Restaurant. So we have sales figure for the years starting from 2014, 2015, 2016 until 2017 for 3 types of food items which are fried chicken, chicken burger and pizza, and the sales figure is given here in US dollar. So here we want to plot area chart, okay, to plot the sales figure over time period. So for this we need to select the data from A3 to D7, okay, from A3 to D7. Then go to insert, and then here under charts tab there is insert line or area chart. Click on that, and then below here there is 2D area. It says use this chart type to show trends over times like year, months and days or categories. So we have here 4 years from 2014 to 2017. So we are going to select this 2D area chart, okay, click on here, and then you get your area chart. Then click over chart title and change the chart title, which is sales figure of John's Food Restaurant. Okay. Now here in this chart we can see that the pizza here, it is blocking the chart of chicken burger and fried chicken. So we really cannot get total picture of chicken burger and fried chicken. So this can be overcome by increasing the transparency for pizza. Okay, so we'll increase the transparency for the field area of pizza so that we can see the area of chicken burger and fried chicken, right? For this you need to select the chart area, click on that chart area, and then go to format in Excel ribbon and click on that, and there in format there is current selection, and from the drop down box you select series pizza, then click on format selection. After clicking format selection you will get under fill and line, click on that, and here in fill click on that, you select solid fill. After selecting solid fill you can increase the transparency here, so you can just slide it with mouse or just type your transparency, like here we are going to type 50, so the transparency is going to be 50%. Okay, fine. So after increasing the transparency we can now see the area for chicken burger also, but again the area for chicken burger is blocking the area of fried chicken, so we need to increase the transparency for chicken burger too. So again you click on the chart area and go to format, and then go to drop down box and select chicken burger, and then again in format data series under fill you go to solid fill, and then increase the transparency here. This time I am using the increasing the transparency by using my mouse. You can also change the color, like I am going to do it orange or anything. Okay, orange is fine. Okay, so here we get the 2D area chart for fried chicken, chicken burger and pizza. Now you can select the chart area and you can give it a border if you like I am giving it solid line border. Okay, and changing the color to green. You can also give border to plot area, so select the plot area and then go to solid line here under border and give it any color you like I'm going to give it dark red. Okay, so our 2D area chart is ready. Now one problem we faced here, that when we are using a 2D area chart for three types of data, okay, for fried chicken, chicken burger and pizza, the area chart for pizza was blocking the other two. But if we could use the same area chart only for two items here, then we would not face this problem. Or if you want to use it for three data series, then we could use the 3D area chart.